When do we use if and when? We use if for conditional, uncertain situation. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay inside. So in this case, we don't know if it will be raining tomorrow or not, but in case it rains, we will stay inside. We use when for certain situations. For example, when it rains, we stay inside. That means that every time it rains, we stay inside. We don't want to get wet. If I have time, I will call you. So in this case, I don't know if I will have time or not. So you don't know if I will call you or not. When I say, when I have time, I will call you. So this situation is certain. Once I've got time, I will call you. Write down your own examples in the comment box.